Yeah? Yeah? Hello.
Wow, hello.
Whoa, you're all blurry.
Whoops.
Yep, there you go. Time for some laundry.
Yep.
I'm having terrible allergies today. Yeah. My nose is just like running. Hope it's not, I hope I'm not getting sick or something.
I'm sneezing a lot too though, so I think it's allergies.
Maybe it's because we were in the desert yesterday.
Yeah.
We were at my uncle's house. He lives further in the desert, and so maybe that's what it was. And just lots of dust and dirt.
I normally don't take an allergy pill, and I actually took one this morning.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I took two this morning. I still feel like this. I don't know what it is.
So I am out shopping at Target and Trader Joe's, and I just have to share how excited I am. I'm not an extreme couponer, but I think it's stupid to shop without coupons since they're so easy to get. And I just bought a couple of things, and between my Target coupons, my manufacturer coupons, my Cartwheel app, because Target has a Cartwheel app, and then my Target 5% red card, I saved $10. Think about enough bananas. Between Mike and I, we eat each at least one a day, so I got 12. I think we'll eat them all, and if we don't, I'll just make ice cream. Someone is using orange juice to keep the gate open. It's a little weird. So Mike and I have been sneezing really bad all day, and I finally got tissues at Target, and he sneezed into a tissue, and he doesn't want to show you because it's really gross, but he sneezed into the tissue, and when he pulled the tissue away, the wet spots made a happy face.
It was gross. Oh God, that's gross, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Every time I'm sneezed today, she's run up to me and like put her paws on my shoulders. It's like she knows that I'm not feeling good.
Now he stops. I turn on the camera. Zeus is out in the front room crying. I'm pretty sure that he knows that I bought wet canned food, and so he's just out there going meow, meow, meow. Can you guys hear him? He's crying again. Zeus, do you want wet food? Zeus.
Are you starving? You want some food? Oh, Zeus. You want food? Hi, Athena. What's up? The cats, you guys think it's a beautiful day outside? I think it's disgusting. Just kidding. It's like 87 degrees outside. Whoa. I almost just sneezed right there on camera. It's like 87 degrees outside, Andrew just said. And,
Oh my God, no! Ow!
1 point for me.
We don't have to unload like the whole thing on each other each time, do we?
Nah.
We never specified that.
Nah.
Because it's a pain in the butt to clean up that many darts.
No.
Okay, so one shot counts.
It was whatever. If you get hit on camera with
one dart.
one dart, it
That's
counts.
1 point.
But if you feel like unloading the entire magazine, then yeah.
Okay. 1 point for you.
So we come inside and there's pizza on the table and they haven't even eaten it yet. We're very surprised in you guys that you're not trying to eat our food. I'm almost ashamed. Almost. Hey, Andy.
No, not again.
There's nothing in it. So I think I've perfected the one arm loading of the gun. So no bullets in it. But, so what you have to do is you have to push here. Oh, it's hard to show you. And then pull back. Loaded. So Andy said this pizza's free pretty much.
Yeah, it was.
After all the coupons and percentages offs.
Yes, I used Target coupons, manufacturer coupons, red card, reusable bags, and Cartwheel.
So like, you got 2 pizzas for free, was it?
Well, my grand total of savings between all that was $10, But these pizzas happen to be 2 for $10 on sale, so basically I got these 2 pizzas for free.
Nice. Annie, your pizza's ready. Come and get it.
You knew it! I came out here like this. Ow! Ow!
I knew it.
I almost came out with my gun because I was like, it sounds like he's up to something. But. Ow.
Hey guys.
Huh? Hi.
Found the camera in the laundry.
Did you really?
Camera's clean.
No.
It's clean. You landed it. Taking a walk. Taking a walk.
The dwarves' little house.
The dwarves' house. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's dark out. We're taking a walk. Hopefully. Andrew.
Get back before it's too dark.
Yeah. Oh well. Well guys, that's it for the night. Thanks for watching, and we will see everybody tomorrow. And as always, see you on the interwebs. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to today's video. I thank you for all the love from yesterday's vlog, actually. A lot of kind comments, and thank you everybody for that. I really do appreciate that. It means a lot. I hope I'm not coming down with a cold. This would be terrible. I don't feel like getting sick. It's not a good time. And I really hope it's just allergies for just one day. I guess I'll find out tomorrow when I wake up. Well, everybody, have a great day. And I will see you tomorrow. And it looks like Mike is a few points ahead of Andy. So, Team Mike!